Hi, and welcome to Coolfixin. This video will teach you how to shorten an interior door. Sometimes you must shorten a door due to new flooring installation, or you are installing a new door in an existing opening. Most interior doors are hollow. Hollow doors are composed of solid wood framing, a wood laminate skin, and a core of foam or strips of cardboard. To prevent cutting into the bottom wood rail, the minimum distance that you should cut is 1.5 inches. Determine the clearance you need, indicated by a straight line. We only need a 1/2 inch clearance for this door, but we still cut the minimum 1.5 inches. Use your circular saw to make the cut. Now, some people put blue tape on the door and mark their line over the tape. This is to reduce wood chipping where the door is cut. We've tried that, but it really does not seem to matter much. After your cut, you must prepare the bottom section that you just removed. Remove the wood laminate covering from the bottom rail by using a hammer and chisel on the right side, left side, and both ends. Fortunately, we were able to remove the wood laminate door skin from the bottom wood rail as shown to the right. However, depending on the door manufacturer, age of the door, and distance of the bottom cut, sometimes it is impossible to remove the wood laminate covering. In those cases, you must cut a 2x4 to a thickness of 1 1/8 inches as shown. We are not going to use the bottom wood railing cut from that 2x4. It is only shown as a demonstration. Now back to our existing bottom rail. Notice the black line that we have marked. You must cut 1/4 inches from the end of the bottom wood rail to facilitate reinstallation of the rail. Before you reinstall the bottom rail, use a chisel to push back the cardboard support material a couple of inches. This generates the space necessary for the bottom rail. Remember, some doors have foam instead of cardboard to remove. Next, apply construction glue to each side of the bottom rail. Now let's reinstall the bottom rail. Now this is why we removed 1/4 inches from the bottom rail. If we did not, it would be too tight and we would crack the wood laminate covering on the door at this point. Wipe the excess glue from the door. To make sure that the bottom rail stays in place, we must install 2.5 inch screws on each side. Pre-drill with a 1/8 inch pilot, then fasten your 2.5 inch screws. You should be aware that glue is not enough. Eventually, the bottom rail would loosen. Some contractors use nails to attach the wood laminate covering to the bottom rail. This is not advisable because the wood laminate is too thin to secure the wood rail. That is why we use 2.5 inch screws drilled in both side rails. To help cover the cut marks, we will put a bead of caulk on the bottom of the door. Check the other side of the door to see if caulk is necessary. Caulk should also be used to cover the screws. It is a good idea to apply a second coat of caulk after the first coat dries. After caulking dries, paint the door and you have finished shortening a door. Please check out other tutorials from Coolfixin. Thanks for watching.